Remove 11 screws. Pry open the bottom case and remove it. Disconnect the battery from the main board. Remove one screw. Slide the SSD out of its slot and remove it. Remove 4 screws. Lift up to remove the battery. Disconnect the flat cable. Remove 4 screws. Remove the hard disk drive assembly. Remove the shield. Pull the latches to release the memory module. Peel off the foam. Disconnect the antenna leads. Remove one screw. Lift up the card and remove it. Release the antenna cables from the guides. Disconnect the 2 fan cables. Remove 6 screws. Carefully lift up to remove the thermal assembly. Disconnect the I/O board cable, the keyboard cable, the touchpad cable, the RTC battery cable, the backlight cable, the speakers cable, and the EDP cable. Remove the mylar, the plastic LED covers, and peel off the LED modules on both sides. Remove 2 screws and the security lock bracket. Carefully lift up and remove the main board. Disconnect the 2 LED modules from the main board. Remove 1 screw. Lift up to remove the I/O board. Remove the 2 speakers. Peel off the battery and remove it. Peel off the conductive tape. Remove 2 screws. Remove the touchpad buttons board. Disconnect and peel off the touchpad cable. Starting from the middle, pull to release the plastic snaps and remove the cover. Remove 2 screws and the 2 hinge covers. Remove 6 screws. Place the machine face down, feed the cables through the holes and remove the keyboard bezel. Carefully pry open the bezel and remove it. Remove 2 screws. Carefully detach the cover and remove it. Carefully pull to remove the two pieces of special tape.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Disconnect the EDP cable and remove the LCD panel.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you
Remove 6 screws.
but you never do.
Remove the hinges.
There's a reason why we lose.
Peel off the camera board from the cover. Disconnect the camera cable. Peel off the mylar. Detach the logo LED cover. Peel off the logo LED board and the cable. Release the cable from the guides and remove it.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Links of parts are in the description below.